How to add promo code to Walmart order. Let's get started. Launch our Walmart app, or also you can log into your Walmart account in the web version. For this video, I'm going to use the web version. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. Now you can hit towards the item that you want to purchase. Add those items to the cart. Once we're done adding the item to the cart, what you're going to do is click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. Once you're on the cart page, here you're gonna find the list of the items that you have selected for the purchase. Likewise, you wanna select the delivery option. Then click on continue to checkout. Now here you can review your order. Then go ahead and provide your payment method. Scroll down. You're gonna find the option of have a promo code. Click on that. Now type in the code that you wanna redeem. Click on apply and click on continue. With that, you have just placed your order and the promo code will be also redeemed. So this way you can easily add promo code to Walmart order. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.